onolaba nabina ebigambo njagala obitwale kunkumula amatugo njagala obiwulire mwana wange mugenze kufumba naye tobeera omufumba kafu anewala amayuba yatemesogasoga oyaniriza omumanye ne gotamanyi ekitiibwa ky'omukyala zibeera mpisa sokulembeza nga tonnakwata ekitiibwa ky'obufumbo bwabeera mawuno nnyo era kimwebwa oyo abeera kigwanira onoobikwata ebyogenze kufumba ne bakadde bobaweesa ekitiibwa anti okuzala kwekuba okujagala jagala jagala jagale bayozere bayotabule omukwano gw'omusajja gundi bubi bayozere bayotabule amazina bajagala gasala kusa bayozere bayotabule guno omukwano gw'omwana gundi bubi bayozere bayotabule amazina bajagala gasala kusa omanyi omukwano anti likwa lya tovu likusiwa ngwe likujijira kamwenyumwenyu kano kondabako kutama sanyu lya mwana ekisulo ky'okusanyuka kyasisenze kisula nemmanya nti oluka n'abeera ketalo ebyakakyokano kufuno yakwagala nakuleeta nembazadde n'amala kwanjula kabeera ketalo kaba kayisa nnyo kuba kujagana jagana ngazaala kuza sanyu ly'omuzadde lizite sirisa engoma nzinemu amateera gwe gajja kumenya leka munnamunjoloba zine magunju oba ganjawuza walalalalala sirisa engalabi nzinemu amateera gwe gajja kumenya yongeza kukunyeyo olololo olololo essanyu linzita fayo fayo gwe bayozere bayotabule guno omukwano gw'omuzadde gundi bubi bayozere bayotabule amazina bajagala gasala kusa bayozere bayotabule guno omukwano gw'omwana gundi bubi bayozere bayotabule amazina bajagala gasala kusa
A small country where they said the capital city fever we own when a Freetown, but then get time in the French way when a Libreville. We go see a traditional group where one pan the vocalist like cripple, or we can say persons with disability. A look at them say with that disability where it gets and the voice where it gets, you know go sit down no more for the say bribe body instead say well I use my voice for make them up. And today now one of the traditional group this now Gabon we don't make name, we don't make money out of what they get. That in 2 man and 1 woman. They call this group Muyanga, and the title of the video Naba Mambange. A very traditional, you know, say the African language is vast and big, yeah. Once again from Gabon and this group now Muyanga, where they come with this typical traditional video where I believe say you go appreciate. And you when a salon artist, make sure say you market what you get as local language. talk of traditional music na Sierra Leone. Mama Ami Kalona, one person where you go call him name. We get a lot of people them. We get a young guys that say we don't come inside when about big. We get a lot of them where they market we local language. But we can't see somebody from Kenema not any moment. So rest in peace when a Posowai. Posowai the kaya with a video when a Lundukai. A typical traditional Mende song, and I really appreciate. I believe say one of them for watch them, one of them go appreciate. We decide for come up with a specific African videos and for you where they sing now, and we go get a plan for sing tomorrow. Make you know say if you belong to Soso, sing inside Soso. If the Guinean Soso they sing inside Soso, why can't you sing inside Soso as Sierra Leonean? What thing we do? We make the market with tradition. We get problem with that? Or now other tradition don't can kill we own tradition where we able for market then we collect and the next man own tradition, especially when we get June 16 and salon. You go see we salon picking them when they dress, you go visit Nigeria then come out. Aya, we get a lot of goodies in a salon. If we begin for market them now, I believe say by the time they will remember say catch them young, they don't catch themselves already and they don't market themselves. African Temple, the only program where they give you the best of good African videos. when we talk of a country where get some little bit of challenges, get some desertic land, things are hard there at times, but God bless them with mind insights and way that they make small benefits. But culture and tradition make this country today get a lot of tourism where they can that country they can see how it look like, and they call this country Botswana. Where they can see a group what they call culture spears. They come out with a title where na Dibesani. This video na a typical love song as well. A beautiful woman, a woman where they responsible for a man, make sure say the home welfare they intact, and make sure say when you man come with people when are strange people them, you make sure say you accommodate some people in them without grumbling. But at times you can get a woman in a salon where man come with paddy, you go begin grumble, they go in mouth or they go in face or they tight in face that corner, which is very, very bad. At times, if you man get a bad friend where you know of, then tight your face. But if you don't sabi that paddy, make sure say you welcome him very, very nicely. And this video they depict the typical tradition of an African woman where they respect a man, and anybody with a man they come up with na us from Botswana culture spears.
I go ahead.
Apose, it just means thank you. Gela, Apose, Papa God, thank you. This now from the Gere tribe from the western part of Côte d'Ivoire, and we'll go see this group called Eden. Now, a religious song by telling Papa God, thank you. Say Dieu merci. But in the local language, when they call Gere. The Gere are people that way they about 615-20 miles away from Abidjan. You can get them inside Man. You get them inside Jiglo, you get them inside Jukwe, or you get them.
You know
We decide for bring specific traditional videos in for una. For you where they watch, you where say you na Sierra Leone, you know able for talk Mende, but you belong to the Mende tribe. If you na Shabu, sing inside your Shabu language. Market them. Let people they ask now who's tribe this. And a Shabu, they sing fine though, because you can sing better in your local language than any other language where you learn somewhere than the language where you born inside. Now it make you see Guinea or any other country today, when the youth then they sing, then they use the local traditional music, because the key and the notes, or maybe the way of singing, where then they use the language, they beautify that song. But Salon, we artists them always want to make like a white man. I believe say if una watch this program today, then they go able for tell una say una for make sure say una sell una tradition and culture. It's like a very young guy from the Igbo land. His name na Ayaka Ozubulu. The title na Akachuku Soma Aga. This again na tell Papa God thank you in everything we do for you. And now a video where myself appreciates, and when a friend of mine when a Nigerian Guinea say this video is very good, and when we say watch the video, I really see something inside. And I believe say when you get for watch them, you go begin automatically for go back to your tradition and also you come out.
Ugo Chimeleze no melongicha Ugochi meleze no melon bicha na nuwo njobi jebu Nobu na chonya diro we bisu Niva na kwakulimia Akala njibi wa bekuo Akachukwu sonyaka ichoba kalọwa ma ichoba chukwu nna Ibanye jikamba obegwama Ọmọbunu gogocharia Akachukwu sonyaka ichoba kalọwa ma ichoba chukwu nna Ibanye jikamba obegwama Igbo n'ezie ni nwa mgbada ịmaligo na mgbada bi n'ọbịa na nwa mgbada dị ime wee n'ebe mgbada nwa mgbada sobisi na nwanyị ime na-eme ọ na-amalebe ọnọmacha ebe nwa mgbada na sisi nwa mgbada dakilo ọnwụnwa dinta wee fụzie mgbada dinta wee si n'azụ wee mụnye ọkụ n'ọbịa ọkụ ịba wee gbaba nwa mgbada n'ezi anya na-asụ ya ọ bụ na ọkụ ịba na-agba n'azụ nwa mgbada were ọsọ ndụ agwụ ike 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 ọsọ ndụ ya wepụta n'iru orimiri anya malive ọgana onanya n'iru orimiri n'ọdụ n'iru onanya n'azụ ọkụ ịba na-agba n'azụ onanya n'aka nri dị tebụl egbe wee kwụle onanya n'aka ebe agụ dị ndụ na-abịa n'ike mgbada na kwali chukwu nna ọ bụ na m ọ ga nwuo chukwu olise ka mmụọ nwa m n'udo ọ bụ na ga ga-egbu m ka nwa nwa m ka ọ dịrị na nwa m dịrị na aba m ga-adịo na nwa m dịrị nne na aba m ga-adịo ebe nwa mgbada na-eche n'ụwa anya gwugo mgbe abụka obi n'igwe malitela ọlụ dịka wee n'ezi anya na-egbenye ọ bụrụ so okwu mgbe ọ bọrọ n'ime ya dịka wee jụba onwe ya ajụjụ nụ dịka na-ajụzi onwe ya kedu ibe m ga-eme ọ bụ na mgbagbo mgbada agụ ga-eri m nwụlụ mana mgbu agụ nwelụ ndụ m na dịka were egbe gbagbu agụ
African tempo. Dunya dani jigi de ma tempo lena. Nde nani jege mama bala no lena African tempole yimayela la medo yele ne kumala
Oh karabu afuma minu bari femine mosoyan oh nik bit kana netal sawu ampa samini na ibakera tata oh tuluba pakuldi na pamefil afuma minu ba mu mekarane wai sunaliso mainu sunaliso arengin meide yo ke sate chila kan kunto me harmi kapa fuma me arike me fafane kapa wantu mungang ayake mungang anyemba to moingang afuma mungang achesu tilo karabu oto chenyi to konto fuliseyo afanke mui amenge yo konto fuliseyo owa ide no emi enki keren ke mor bertan mi enki keren ya fosonga pura ide o mi enki keren pepi muno bana ne fino tawan kaune okurora muji pepi muno bana ne lse tawan kaune okuro kalra muji kwa banana mitfie kwa banana mitue kwa banana mitfie kwa sheba konsamye uratuloe masheba komiero como taloi alokonga kungaye alasule tokure tingulioe bakudi owae afumalo mabae amile tofi ya mapa amina zange mega skabana ya mapa oe otiyo baunge manane mienge ya mabae amile tofi ya mapa amina zange mega tofi ya mapa oe otiyo baunge manane mienge kwa manane mirefie amayo bai kwa manane kufangi me amayo bai kwa manane mikatskabana ya mayo bai otirane komubing chetulo komufi tulone kwa tangismo kolende rekene mana benung ko achekura moyo andunya ngis baki de wabadan owa ide no emi enki keren ke mor bertan mi enki keren ya fosonga kura ide o mi enki keren okuro batrin to batale o tatami na ne minene yo igbinka kuru na ne minene yo ya bungan karo afumalo mabae amile tofi ya maba amina fange me gatskabana ya maba oe otiyo baunge manane miege ya mabae amile tofi ya maba amina fange me oe tofi ya maba oe otiyo baunge manane miege kale melenge inaleuni kale melenge itoseuni shileuni leuni minelengo kama skala mira kan kolcho suyo minelengo kama katskasu kachedineyo minelengo kafo fake kiafo mama filfara tabututum afo malo mangum ande no shetoi kadebo bengengo karabu miteye kadebo bengengo karabu miteye imomono ena pochila imomono nala kachera imomono na de krme imomono tokromarno tokumrato tokromarno na tobe tokromarno na mapatwa mitsmame na tobe tokromarno andie masako achera tame na tobe tokromarno mate muy maya na tobe tokromarno afetar mi ambera na tobe tokromarno na fetar krak momono na tobe tokromarno ankur banga mi motomo neme na tobe tokromarno afumalo mabae amile tofi ya maba amina fange me gatskabana
If you don't know who side you come out, how you gonna know who side you dey go? If you don't know who side you belong to, the tradition or culture where you belong to, the tribe where you talk, if you not get one at all, what is your identity? I'm a Sierra Leonean. At least I for talk one Sierra Leonean local language that make me for be a Sierra Leonean. If you know they talk none, how you go take yourself? You're not born in America, you're not born in England, so you are nobody. But if you learn for talk one local language, the Creole them, then now the language that we na Creole. And when the typical Creole they talk to you the Creole, you gonna say this na Creole, na in your own language. And you the mende timini local limba full of shabo. If you talk the Creole, make sure say you tell people they say I'm from so different tribe. It doesn't mean that you are tribalistic, but name na Maxi Mano. One thing where I appreciate, it's so young, but it makes sure say in tradition and culture, it puts her inside this video clip. The title of this video now, Nchemti. Nchemti na a very love song where the tribe for tell you say, you and me, we are one. We for come together as one. We for make sure say we build unity to among ourselves. You for make sure say this man waiting at the left and the other at the right, tell and say we are all one. A very good love message in a different form. Not all that love where they kiss man or woman, but this now a love for say, man, the one always say, Mogo killing than I want people. A very good song from Cameroon. Tete will meet next week, but don't forget, no leak bang bang for saying that only you go get now you must. Do good and for let good follow you. And we don't want more now Michael Thomas Johnny 7 where they watching the African Temple. Tete will meet next week. Hasta la vista.
Oh no! Petit. Nchemti vomanyo.
Vomanyo manchoko yomon. Special dedication to Manyo sons and daughters all around the world. Seseko champion Arab money. Ben Alvis, Searchlight Schools, Jonaya Properties. Executive Director at Global Think and Tank Africa, Joachim Marie, Morsing London. Tata Asop Akebe Mbiebi Eyanga Dr. Henshaw Ebai Momanyo, the future. President Desmond Ashu, Mecca, UAE, Dubai. Rambo Mix de Dubai, Montagbari.